This one is the length. Length affected your resistance. 7.6. 1 meter. The length is directly proportional to the resistance. So like this. We need to mark the value. Okay, so this one 1 meter. So what is the value? 7.6 ohm. Need to label. Question asks you to label. So what is electron multiforce? So we use this formula. Voltage is work done over charge. Energy over charge. Energy needed to drive one column of charge in circuit. Okay, this one is V equal IR. Then V is 12, current don't know, then this one 7.6. So your current equal to 1.58 ampere. PD, because this one is series circuit, series. The thread is series. So you can use ratio. So 1 meter, you have 12 watt. So now 0.35 meter, how many watt? So you can get it. V equal to multiply 12 multiply 0.35 divide 1. So 4.2 watt charge passing through resistance. Okay, we got IT. Charge we don't know. I 1.58 times 5.5 times 60 seconds. Must change to second. 5 to 1.4 column. Resistance. Okay, this one you can use proportional to do it. R proportional to length. R inversely proportional to the area. Or you can use formula. Or you may use this formula because they have same material. Then you calculate the resistivity or so on to calculate. But normally I like to use this. Okay. Second wire. Length increase. How much? 3 over 2. Then area increase 9 over 4. So the first wire itself is 0.14. So now we calculate the second wire related to the first wire. Multiply the length. The length. You see the length increase this portion. So your resistance also increase this portion. Then the area is inversely proportional. So you need to upside down the things. 4 over 9. So will become 0.14 times 3 over 2, 4 over 9. Inversely proportional, you need to upside down. Directly proportional, don't need. So second wire, you will get it in 0.09. And this one, calculate the reading of the ammeter. Be careful, the question, the wire connect at the Y, is it? So the current flow through all of them. 1, 2, 3. So V equal IR. V is 12. I we don't know. R we plus all of them. Okay, so you will get it in 1.09 ampere. So next, add one more. Then here another one. So these two are parallel. Then these two is series. Wow. Okay, easy. Calculate the resistance only. Use the ratio to get the resistance. Okay, calculate the SY first. SY 2 meter, 6 ohm. But now SQ is 0.6. So how many ohm? So you calculate the other 0.6 times 6 divide 2 meter. Use the ratio. Using the ratio 1.8 ohm. Okay, after that we solve these two first. 1.5 and 1.8 ohm. This one as parallel. 1 over R equal 1 over 1.5 plus 1 over 1.8. So your R will be 0.82. So total R will be at all of them, add it up. 0.82 plus 2 plus 3. Because these two are series. So 5.82 ohm. Okay, define the EMF. This one repeat again. So energy needed to drive one column of charge. Of charge. To drive one column of charge. Flow in circuit. Voltage equal to E over Q. Okay, so next, what is this? The R. Okay, 12, blah, blah. Each of the lamp got 3V. 3V. So the PQ is 9V. Each lamp got 2. So 2 ampere and 3 volt. Then your current, how much for the PQ? The ampere, 4 ampere. 2 plus 2, parallel. So your V is 9 equal to 4R. So your R is 2.25 ohm. The unit ohm. Another wire. Diameter and the length. Okay, if you refer to the formula, it will be like this. Rho L over A. R1 over A. I use proportional. But question give you diameter. So 1D square by R square is your area. So D square, the proportional. Wire PQ is 2.25. So another wire, the relation between the PQ, you multiply like this. So you see the length is twice. So the length is double. So your R will be double. So diameter new piece is twice. You see diameter is divide. So we'll reduce. 1, 2 over 2. So we'll get the answer. So you don't need to find the resistivity. 2.25 multiply 2 multiply 1 over 4. So divide 2.13 ohm. This one we use relationship. Or you use formula. So will become other area over L. So first wire equal to second wire. Then you substitute all the info. Then can calculate. But remember to change the A. Become pi other square. More complicated this one. So first wire is 2.25. Area pi other square. Other square. Diameter divide 2 is the radius. So the length we don't know. Equal to second R we don't know. So area pi double of R then divide 2L. Then simplify. Cancel all the things. Oh, pi L and L 2.25 R square equal to R second 4 R square divide 2. Same thing 2 and 4. Don't know which one you would like to use. Then 2 R square cancel. Still the same result. R2 equal to 2.25 divide 2. Divide 2. Two method. Use formula or use the proportionality. This one is for the length. This one for diameter. See the blue color one. The L times 2 is for the length. 1 over 2 square for the diameter.